Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the bar color in Power BI. Now, so this is my chart. All you need to do is first click on the chart or the visualization, and then click on these two arrows to expand the visualizations panel, okay? And then click on this format your visual. You'll see this bar chart with the paint icon. Click on this. Now under visual, I want you to scroll down until you see columns. Okay, click on this arrow. It'll drop down these options. As you can see, we cannot change the color, right? Now, the reason of that is this is set to all. We need to first choose what we are changing the color for. Now, if this was a bar chart with only one column, right? One set of column, then it would work. But in this case, we have two different ones because it's a clustered bar chart. So first we'll choose, let's say, sum of sales, and we'll change the color to pink. Okay. And then we can change the other one as well. And let's say this one will change it to the shade of, I guess this is red. Yes. So there we go. And it's really that easy and simple.